Hi student, this is our lecture number 18 in which we are going to start the complement -5 complements on the fingers. I will tell you how to do calculation now on the fingers of -5 complement. Like question number 1 is plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 is the complement plus 5 complement. So plus 5 minus 3. Okay, now minus 3 again. Minus 3 is the complement, minus 5 complement. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. Then plus 4 in this. Plus 4 how you will do? Plus 5 minus 1. So we got the answer 6. Okay, next one is plus 2 plus 2. And the third plus 2 we will use the plus 5 complement. Plus 5 minus 1. Okay. Now again listen. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and plus 2. Plus 2 we will do plus 5 minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 2 how we will do? Minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. So we got the answer 4. Next question is plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 and minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. Then minus 2 direct. So we got the answer only 1. Next one is plus 3. Again plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Okay. Then minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. Then plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. We got the answer 7. And the next question is plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 mean plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. Then plus 2 again we have to use the formula plus 2 plus 5 minus 3. So we got the answer 6. Here we have to use plus 5 complement as well as for the minus 5 complement. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Both we have to use in these questions. Okay. These are the practice question. We have to do all the practice on the fingers now. Plus 3, plus 2, plus 5, minus 3. Then minus 1, plus 4, minus 5. And plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. So we got the answer 7. Next question is plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 3. Minus 3 how will do? Plus 2 minus 5. Then plus 2 plus 5 minus 3. So the answer is called 5. Okay, next question is plus 3 plus 2 minus 3. Then plus 2 minus 5 and the last one is 4. How we will add plus 4 in it? Plus 5 minus 1. So the answer is called 6. Now these two questions are remaining plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 4 direct. Minus 4 how we will do? Plus 1 minus 5. Okay, now plus 2 again. Plus 5 minus 3. So the answer is called 3. Last question is plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 4 plus 1 minus 5. Then plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. So we got the answer 6. These were the practice. We have done the practice on the tool before. In the last lecture, I told you and I taught you how to do the calculation on the tool of minus 5 complement. Now today I have teach you that how to do the calculation on the fingers of minus 5 complements. Now I think you have learned all the complements plus 5 and the minus 5. In the next lecture we will start a new level. Okay guys, now thank you.